welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a tutorial on this look right here. So these two looks were inspired by these two photos right here. I have decided to print them out so I could look at them a little bit better than on my phone screen. This photo right here is by This photo right here is by Brittany Ivory. She's on Instagram. I will link all of her information down below, but she did that beautiful moon, which inspired my color choice for this video, as well as the branches candles on the moon itself. And then this photo, if you guys know, because I don't, I found this on Pinterest. No credit, nothing. Pinterest has been playing me lately. I have not been able to find any original artists, so help me out here, guys. But this just helped me decide like the placement of the moon, how I wanted to do the fading, except I didn't mind right side up because why not? So without further ado, if you are interested in seeing how I created this look, please keep watching. Hello. So my eyes are primed. I'm gonna zoom you in. So I'm gonna be using the Morphe 35P palette for this look. It's all purples. It's a really lovely palette. If you have brown eyes like me, 10 out of 10 would recommend because purple makes our eyes pop, my brown-eyed friends. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here, this one. And I'm just going to quickly set my eye space because when I did this earlier, it kind of didn't blend out. So I'm going to take that shade on my Morphe R34 brush. This is just going to go in the crease. Like we're going to bring it way up. Going with my M441 actually and see if this will, yeah. And I'm gonna blend this outer tail out really far because we gonna be dramatic because Halloween. So next I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Sorry guys, these don't have names. And I'm gonna take my R39 brush and pack this here and the end-ish kind of in the middle. And then blend it up into the crease. And now I'm going to go in with this darker shade right here. And with my R41, I'm going to just tap this on the very outer corner. Right, and then I'm just going to blend this out some more with that lavender lilac color. I'm going to take this beautiful shade right here, this one. And I'm going to take this on my M167, spray it with some Fix Plus. Look at that. Like, oh my god. I fucking love this shimmer shade. Ugh. Alrighty. I'm going to touch up some areas here and there. Just make this a little bit more blended. Okay, so now I'm going to just move on to my face. And I'll be right back to show you guys the fun part. Okay. So you could totally leave the look like this. This is, you know, a look. However, what we're going to do now to make it more costumey, Halloween-y, spooky, I'm going to figure out how to put a crescent moon on my forehead. Here we go. This could end terribly or go really well. So just taking a white pencil and roughly sketching. You can't really see it, but it looks pretty good to me. That's what I'm going to leave it as. So I'm now going to take that medium purple shade and start shading around the edges. I'm going to bring it down into my brows as well. And then take that lilac-y color, the lighter one, and blend that out and around. Alright, so as you can see, it's kind of like a fading around it type detail. I'm actually going to take my flat definer brush. This is an M432. Whew! It's a lot of shading, guys. It's a lot of blending, but I promise it'll look cool. I mean, maybe if you like moons and shit, but if you don't, then whatever. I'm going to take a concealer brush and soften this white away. Alright, and you can totally leave it like this if you want as well. However, we gonna make it more spooky, duh. And I'm just going to try to recreate this like branch-like pattern from my reference picture that I showed earlier in the video. I'm just going to do squiggly lines and make it look like intertangled branches, pretty much. Spooky branches. Super spooky. Witchy Moon. Sweet deal. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my Mehron palette, and you can totally use white liner for this and yellow liner for this, which I am pretty sure I have both on. I just want to use my Mehron palette. I'm going to put little candles in my spooky moon. That's enough candles, I think. And then I'm going to go in with some yellow and get these candles lit. Boom! Spooky lit candles on your forehead. I'm just going to touch up some shading here and there, and then we'll be done. Alright guys, so that completes this look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I am really happy with how it turned out. I did actually do this one time before this, and I didn't like it. The moon didn't look right. It didn't look crescenty enough. This, however, looks so much better, and I'm so happy with it. So I do hope you guys really liked it. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And while you're over there, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, especially if you want to see more videos like this. I am going to go to bed now, or get in bed and do nothing, because it is actually almost midnight, and I am tired. And I have a lot of shit I need to do tomorrow. So, yeah. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video.